Am I a good candidate for hair transplantation? And a lot of that depends on you. There are certain situations. I do get consultations throughout the year, and some patients are not good candidates for hair transplantation. And those are generally people with severe hair loss and severe what's called diffuse unpatterned alopecia, or DUPA, where the donor site is very sparse and very thin. Or there's not another donor area, say the beard, chest, or abdomen, where we can actually place. So most of the time, people are not kind of in that category. I may have a handful of patients a year that fit that. So the vast majority of patients are candidates. So the scope of work that we do varies tremendously. I recently talked to a patient who had a huge amount of volume of hair but was unhappy with how the temporal recession was, and felt like his side framing was off. And so that's something we're going to fix. Other patients have huge demands for a lot of grafts, and that could be people that have had prior hair transplants, especially in the 80s and 90s, where there's a lot of scarring or had scalp reductions and don't have a lot of donor area left in their head. Well, we can go to the beard, chest, and abdomen and really fix these areas effectively. Part of the consultation, especially meeting with me or Dr. Goldstein as physicians, we look at you individually, and everybody has a different formula and everyone has different needs. There are some people with significant hair loss that say, you know what, all I want is hair up front. I want to look in the mirror and be happy. I don't care about the crown, while other people want a full restoration. That's what your desire is, and we can help you through that journey. Many patients get a hair transplantation and say, you know what, I think this is it. And they circle back to us years later and say, you know what, I want a little bit more thickening, and I actually want more hair in areas that we didn't cover the first time. So if you're thinking of hair transplantation and you're asking yourself, am I a good candidate or not, especially if you have severe hair loss, or you're on the other side of the spectrum where you really don't have a lot of hair loss, but there are parts of your hair that are bothering you, give us a call at 678-845-7521. You can reach us on the web at nahairrestoration.com. We are happy to assist.